Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to oil wall clippers easily. This will be a complete tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So let's say that you want to oil your wall clippers just like these. It's actually super duper easy to do, and we're going to show you exactly how to do it right now. All that you need is some clipper oil. So this right here is the official, not official, it's unofficial Wall Clipper Corp trimmer oil. But you can use any sort of clipper oil that you have on hand, and you need a trimmer, and you need it to be plugged in, just like that. Okay, so when it's powered off, what you want to do is take the oil, and you want to apply a couple drops of the oil to the trimmer. I like to apply it to the cutting blades, which are the moving blades over here, but it's completely up to you, but you just want to put a couple drops. So I'm going to put one over here, one in the middle, then one in the end. Some people say you could put 5 drops. I just do 3. I mean, at the end of the day, if you're oiling it regularly, 3 drops is plenty, okay? Then you want to turn it on. It's powered on. The oil is going to be sort of circulating between the blades now. And then what I like to do is I like to take the taper over here, the taper lever, and just move it up and down like that. What that's going to do is that's going to circulate the oil all around the blades. Now, if you take a look, you can see the oil marks right over here, but the oil is moving all throughout the blades because what's happening is this blade that's moving is going side to side, and this blade that's stationary here is going up and down when I move the taper lever, and that's circulating the oil side to side and up and down. So just turn it on and just move it like this for, I don't know, about 30 seconds should be more than enough, and that is essentially how to oil a pair of clippers just like this. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.